So much for staying with us. This is Morning Cafe. My name is George Maringa, and we are about to have an important conversation on matters debt. Now, this festive season will present a very interesting situation for everyone. There will be expenses that will come in. There will be a time of making merry and having fun, and it depends on how you want to go about it. But also in the same breath, access to financing, especially for this in the wake of the current economic crisis, can be quite interesting, and you'd want to manage how you spend and how you borrow, considering after every festive season comes a crunch time of back to school. And to further have that conversation with us is Grace Njogu. She is from Ngao Credit. Good morning, Grace, and welcome.
Hello, good morning.
Indeed. Now let's look at, this whole conversation. It's a pleasure to have you here, and thank you so much for joining us. What is the space of digital lending, first of all? Because many people will, traditional lenders take quite a minute. But what is the space of digital lenders like yourself in the wake of providing assistance to be able to ensure that things run smoothly, most especially for Kenyan families?
Okay, so I think the role of digital lending and digital institutions is to complement the otherwise traditional forms of financial access, being banks, Saccos, etc. So they are not supposed to be consumed exclusively. They should be consumed with other products. Ideally, the digital products should be consumed for matters emergency, in the event that you have exhausted your limit, you cannot be able to access, for example, money from your current financial partner, be it a bank or a Sacco, then the digital institution come in handy to make sure that you are at no point left strained because you cannot be able to access digital financing.
Yes.
Additionally, it's also widening the inclusion into financial services. Currently, the people who are unbanked form majority of Kenya. In the past, you would have thought that because in the advent of banks that like Equity, there'd be more banked individuals in Kenya. But now there's a reality that they are not as inclusive because they will require you to have a minimum deposit. In the event that you don't have a minimum deposit, then you need to have a source of income for them to continue maintaining that account. And now we have telcos, e.g. Safaricom, that are offering alternative financing and also are also playing in the digital lending space. So they are widening the inclusion financially for the masses in Kenya.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as a festive